Some disturbing stats coming out of the Association for Savings and Investment South Africa. It says reports from the forensic departments of life insurers show that the buying and renting of dead bodies for the purpose of obtaining fraudulent death certificates is on the rise. To give us more details on this, I'm joined by Devin Merkin. Devin, the story is so shocking I have to trip on my words. So how does it work? How do people actually get this fraudulent scam to work?
Yeah, well, like you said, so what happens is that life insurance is taken out on a person that does not exist. Then a body is rented or bought, presumably by the funeral parlors. I mean, we should actually chase them to see what's happening there. And then the body is used to obtain a death certificate. That death certificate is then used to submit a claim. So the association, they're using statistics showing that last year, if you take a look, 1,115 or 915 funeral claims were rejected by life insurers, and that total value of those claims rejected amounted to 170 million rand. Now, of that, 1,127, I beg your pardon, were rejected because of fraudulent documentation, and this is where that part of the scam comes in. The documentation is fraudulent as a result of taking out, Shahan, a claim on a body that was rented or bought. Now, criminals take out the funeral cover, as I said, with people that do not exist. So that's the modus operandi, if you like.
Yes, so how rife is it?
So that's an interesting question. What the association has done is just put on a few cases in terms of percentages, and it says that 35% of all fraudulent cases or dishonest claims were detected in KwaZulu-Natal. You move on to another province, 18% found in the Eastern Cape, Gauteng 17%, the Western Cape was responsible for 9%, but we're told it's declining in that particular province. And if you look at it, I think we have one more slide on exactly how the syndicates were found in terms of numbers. But the numbers there show that syndicates are involved in many of the cases. 7 of the cases seen by the report or the findings actually point out that the beneficiaries of that life insurer was the cause of the death. So that's also another interesting thing to pursue.
Yeah, we definitely need to get a reporter on this story to expose it a bit more. Thanks for that. Appreciate it, Devin Merkin.